Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use TikTok family pairing feature. TikTok provides its users with a feature called family pairing that allows parents to link their kids' accounts to their own and consequently be able to set screen time limits, control direct messages, or even exclude content that seems unsuitable. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use it. Go to your TikTok profile page and click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you find the family pairing option. Tap to open it. Choose whether this account is being used by a parent or a teen and hit the next button. Press on the Continue button. Now on the other phone, also go to the Family Pairing section and select Teen option. Scan a QR code that you see on the parent screen and link accounts. Once you turn on family pairing feature, you will have an opportunity to set a particular screen time, enable restricted content mode, turn off ability to search and disable direct messages. If after some time of controlling your teen's actions on TikTok you decide to turn off the family pairing feature, simply click on the Unlink button and confirm by tapping Unlink. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use TikTok family pairing feature. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.